Is it safe to install third-party apps on LG Smart TV?
In this video, we'll discuss whether it's safe to install third-party apps on your LG Smart TV. We'll look at the potential risks and benefits, as well as some tips for safely installing third-party apps.
What are third-party apps?
Third-party apps are applications that are not developed or distributed by the device manufacturer, in this case, LG. These apps can offer additional features, functionalities, or services that may not be available in the official App Store. Potential risks: 1. Malware and security threats. Installing apps from unknown sources may expose your device to malware, viruses, or other security risks. 2. Data privacy. Some apps may collect and misuse your personal data, posing a privacy risk. Potential benefits: 1. Additional features. Third-party apps can provide extra features or services not available in the official App Store. 2. Customization. These apps can help you personalize your LG Smart TV experience.
Is it safe to install third-party apps?
While there are potential risks involved in installing third-party apps, it can be done safely if you follow certain precautions. 1. Research the app. Investigate the app's developer, user reviews, and overall reputation before installation. 2. Check permissions. Be cautious of apps requesting excessive or unnecessary permissions. 3. Use trusted sources. Whenever possible, download apps from reputable sources, such as the official LG Content Store or other trusted app stores.
How to safely install third-party apps on LG Smart TV.
Follow these steps to safely install third-party apps on your LG Smart TV. 1. Enable unknown sources. Go to Settings, General, Security, and enable the option to allow app installations from unknown sources. 2. Find a trusted source. Locate a reputable source to download the app's APK file. 3. Download and install the app. Transfer the APK file to your LG Smart TV, and follow the on-screen instructions to install the app. In summary, it is possible to safely install third-party apps on your LG Smart TV if you take the necessary precautions. Always research the app, check permissions, and use trusted sources to minimize the risks and make the most of your LG Smart TV experience.